Building muscle. It's a goal for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone looking to get stronger. But what's actually happening inside our muscles to make them grow?
Let's break it down.
Muscles are made up of thousands of muscle fibers, which are essentially bundles of long cells. Each fiber contains myofibrils, the tiny structures that actually do the work of contracting and lifting. When you lift weights or do resistance exercises, your muscles experience tension. This tension causes small tears in the muscle fibers, especially if the weight is heavy or the reps are challenging. After a workout, your body jumps into repair mode. Specialized cells called satellite cells rush to the damaged muscle fibers and begin repairing them. These repairs add extra layers of protein to the muscle fibers, making them thicker and stronger over time. This repair process is called muscle protein synthesis, where protein is used to rebuild the muscle tissue. The more you train, the more your body adapts, increasing both the size and strength of your muscles. To fuel this growth, your body needs protein and energy. Eating protein-rich foods after a workout gives your muscles the building blocks they need to repair and grow. Nutrients like carbs and fats also provide the energy needed to fuel these processes. Hormones also play a big role in muscle growth. Testosterone and growth hormone are released during exercise, especially during intense weight training. These hormones help boost protein synthesis and signal the body to build more muscle tissue. As your muscles undergo cycles of breakdown and repair, they gradually increase in size, a process called hypertrophy. With consistent training, muscles adapt to handle more weight, which is why people increase their weights over time as they get stronger. Different types of resistance training can target different muscle groups and promote growth. For example, heavy lifting with low reps targets strength, while moderate weight with more reps focuses more on size and endurance. Rest is just as important as the workout itself. Your muscles need time to recover and repair, which is why rest days are critical. Most of the muscle building actually happens during sleep and rest, not just at the gym. So, to build muscle, you need a combination of consistent resistance training, the right nutrition, and plenty of rest. With time and dedication, your muscles will adapt, grow, and help you get stronger than ever. Thanks for joining us on this journey to uncover how muscles actually grow. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.